Hey there, welcome to another how to grind video. Today is just a quick one. I thought I'll drop you a quick video just to keep you interested and entertained, and also because I think the tips that I've got for this topic will really help you out if you're struggling with this, and that is how to write catchy bars and punchlines. So the thing is about bars and lyrics, a lot of us go to write our bars, we pick up the pen, pick up the pad, or open a notepad on our phone, put on a beat, get into the vibe a little bit and hope that the magic will just happen, hope that the bars will just come out randomly onto the page, and yeah, they'll be sick. But as we write, we get stuck, or they sound a bit random, or the flow don't quite match it, whatever. So what I implore you to do, what I ask you to start doing when you write your bars, is when you go to write them bars, think about what you're putting on the page. It's always, for me, important to have a theme. I find I write the best bars when I have a consistent theme or consistent topic. Think about it. Some of the best bars I've written, even if you don't know what the theme was, maybe you did this by accident, by mistake, but I guarantee you've done it at least once if you've been writing for a number of months. The best bars that you've written have a certain theme or a certain topic that they follow and they stick to, right? So always have this in mind, a theme. Now when you write your bars, think about it, right? Don't just hope that it'll randomly flow together and come off sick, whatever, but no, think about what you're putting on the page. So how do these bars relate to the topic? How is the flow for these bars going? How are these bars structured? Is it by syllables? Is it by rhyme schemes? What even is the rhyme scheme that you're going with when it comes to this 16 or this 32 bar that you're writing? What are you on about in this bar? What do you want the punchline to say? And another thing to make your bars more impactful, right, is instead of just saying something at face value, use more metaphors, right? Use more metaphors. If you can't wordplay, if you can't do all that, you can use metaphors. It's as easy as this. Now let's say you want to say I spray fire when I'm in the booth, right? You're saying I spray fire, right? Spit fire. Well, everyone said I spit flames. At least, at least 100 other MCs out there said I spit flames. So instead of saying something like I spit flames when I'm on the beat, say something like, and these pricks get 3rd-degree burns when I'm spitting this, and these pricks get 3rd-degree burns when I'm spitting this. So that it already implies that you spit fire, because whenever you spit your bars, whenever you're spitting this, whoever's listening, whoever the prick is, gets 3rd-degree burns, right? So start doing more stuff like that. Start implementing metaphors. Start thinking about what you put in your bars. Start thinking about how the bars are structuring. And the final tip that I'm going to leave you with before I end this short video is prioritize the flow. If you're struggling with actually writing catchy bars, with actually writing sick punchlines, prioritize the flow, right? Come up with a sick melody, a sick rhythm before you even add bars to it. And how you do this is by scatting to the beat, putting on the beat like bopping your head, tapping your feet, stuff like that, counting beats, the 1 2 3 4, adding the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 to it. Exercises like that will get you into flowing. And once you know how to write flows and melodies, if you want to know more about that, just comment down below and I'll make a video on that. But once you know how to do that, then you can add the bars, right? And whatever bars you add, I guarantee you they're going to sound way more catchy, way more gripping, and have way better punchlines just because the flow works. Alright, now that is it for the video. I hope you found it of value, and if you did, then share it, because someone else might find it of value. Like it also, and if you are subscribed, bless you, man. A big thank you to you, because it helps the channel out. And if you are subscribed, then hit that bell notification so that you actually know when I release a video and you don't miss it. And with all this being said, I will say catch you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed it. Bless.
Cause I give him the bars and I give him the flows. Lyrics are hard and your lyrics are limp. Sick with the bars, I'm twisted and cold, and I kill him with bars, I'm making them sink. The game was full of lyrics and pimps. Now it's full of primitive chimps. Trust this mad, I'm sick of these wimps and all these clueless critics. Cause when it comes to the bars and the lyrics, you get clapped like barges and spinach. Cause I go hard to the finish.